of what is now the longest running government shutdown in history. A shutdown which is nothing more than a manufactured crisis designed to distract us from the instability and dysfunction that rules the Trump's White House. Trump has orchestrated this shutdown because he's looking for someone else to blame for the ineffectiveness of his administration. He wants to point to us here in Congress and claim that we are the reason he's failing to lead this country. But that blame, Madam Speaker, belongs to Trump and Trump only. He single-handedly forced 7 agencies to stop their crucial work that impacts the health and safety of every American. Soon, millions of people could start to go hungry as the government runs out of money to fund nutritional assistance through the SNAP program. Thousands could face eviction and become homeless as HUD becomes unable to deliver desperately needed housing assistance. Federal courts could shut down. Our aviation system could come to a halt as flights are grounded. And the list, Madam Speaker, goes on and on. But even before this shameful shutdown began, the executive branch agencies were already struggling to operate under Trump's leadership or the lack thereof. As of today, there are more than 200 critical agencies, positions for which Trump has failed to even put forward a nominee. That's more than 200 agencies, offices, and resources that are operating without a defined leadership, full of staff or resources. Consequently, even once we are able to end this debilitating shutdown, our federal government will still be operating at less than full capacity, so long as we have an ineffective, ego-driven president at the helm. As a member of Congress, we took an oath to put the people of this country first, to protect their right, safety, and well-being. That's we are here in the House, voted on day 1 of this Congress, and nearly every day since, to reopen this government.